Imagine you manage quality across 4 regional distribution centers, and each reports a monthly order accuracy rate. Center A reports 99.2%, Center B reports 97.1%, and your instinct is to send the improvement team to Center B. But you run the data through an AI benchmarking tool that normalizes for order complexity, seasonal volume spikes, and automation differences. The result? Center B handles 40% more SKUs and peak volumes 3 times higher than Center A. Adjusted for those conditions, Center B is actually outperforming. The real underperformer is Center A, which, despite favorable conditions, shows a rising trend in picking errors that its raw 99.2% rate masks because it lags the industry benchmark of 99.6% for similar operations. The AI flags this trend 6 weeks before it would have appeared on your monthly scorecard. You redirect the improvement team, investigate the root cause, a recent warehouse layout change, and fix it before customers notice. That is the power of AI-enabled, context-normalized benchmarking.